welcome back to your girl's channel. So for today's video, guys, I'll be doing a wash and go routine. And my face is like that because your girl avoid wash and goes. I avoid wash and goes because what? It creates shrinkage. Well, my shrinkage is real, okay? My shrinkage is up to here. However, shrinkage is healthy, but my shrinkage makes me look like a little girl. So I try to avoid that at all costs. But I wanted to try a wash and go routine again because I have been looking at this products, the products from Treluxe for so long. And I've been seeing these natural girls' hair, their curls are super defined with this product. So I'm like, you know what? Let me try this out again because I love those results. And I'm like, I don't hop on trends, but this trend I've been looking at and I've been seeing the results of this product. It's not really a trend, but I've just been seeing a lot of girls use it. And I'm like, look at this dryness. I kind of need some defined curls back in my hair right now. So that's going to be, you're going to see this whole, washing my hair and doing a whole wash day routine with my hair and a wash and go. So I'm also going to try out a stretch method as well. So, it's time to tame this, do something with this because I can't have my hair in this for too long because it creates breakage. Oh, you saw that? So it's time to get in the shower, y'all. So before I get into this video, guys, what you're supposed to do? Subscribe to your girl's channel, hit that button. So as you guys can see, my hair is in 4 sections with twists. And what I like to do now, especially before a wash day, I like to do like a pre-poo method because as you can see, my hair is looking super crazy. So before I get into the shower, I do like to separate my hair and do like a detangling method. So what I did, I used the apple cider vinegar cleansing for your scalp. It's from Cantu and it just relieves all of that buildup product and also relieves itching. So I like to do that first, and also it reduces shedding as well when I'm in the shower. So for today's wash day, as you can see, I'll be using the Treluxe Gentle Rinse, Curl, Renew, and Restore shampoo. And I've heard really great reviews about this product. It doesn't strip the oils in your hair, and it's gentle, as it says on the bottle, a gentle rinse, as it's a plant-based product. So what it will do is cleanse your scalp and take out all that buildup, but also provide moisture in your scalp as well. So honestly, I see that as I'm washing my hair, I feel my hair being gently cleansed, but also it still feels very soft. Usually with shampoos, your hair is feeling brittle because it's taking out all of that buildup product and also your natural oils in your hair. So this is really good. I'm actually surprised because I really do not like trying new products. And like I said, since I've been seeing that it was a trending product, I really wanted to try it. So as you can see, I'm just making sure that all of that product is out of my hair, but also just focusing on the scalp with the shampoo versus my ends. But I will get to my ends of my hair later on, but mostly focus on the scalp because that's where majority of that product is. As you can see, guys, I'm rinsing out the shampoo out of my hair and my curls feel super soft. And as you can see, my curls look super defined as well. Usually, like I said, I'm going to repeat it again, shampoos, except my holy grails, they really strip my hair. And I love how it says on a bottle, gentle rinse. And this is my honest opinion because I bought these products. So I really love this shampoo. Like I'm really starting to find my holy grails besides As I Am. I'm so excited. Of course, we got a deep condition, guys. So I'm going to be using the product from African Pride. It has Moroccan clay and shea butter in there. It's a heat activated mascara, and I love this because I include this with my steaming treatment, but you won't see that. But I do want to advise you that for low porosity hair, it's really good to deep condition and also use some type of steamer or hydration to your hair. It helps a lot. Okay, guys, so I am back. I just finished washing out all of that deep conditioner out of my hair, and y'all, that was in my hair for a couple hours. Disclaimer. So let's see. Ooh. Okay. Ooh, yes. And that's from the African Pride Deep Conditioner. Usually in the shower after I wash my hair, I do like to go in with my leave-in conditioner, but because I deep conditioner first, I didn't do that. But whatever. So I'm going in with the leave-in conditioner from Treluxe, and my hair is already sectioned, so we're about to get started. So it's looking a little dry, you know, after I did deep condition, but it's okay that I can still see the curls like popping or whatever. So I'm gonna just kind of separate that a little bit just so all the product can penetrate through each little strand. Okay. And I'm just gonna apply a little bit of water just because it's a little dry. I don't want it to be drenched because you know how us naturals hair does not dry. And I'm also going in with this type of comb instead of a demi brush because the demi brush just causes too much shrinkage. And a wash and go causes too much shrinkage by itself. And we don't need that. So I'm gonna just go in like a little generous. Oh, okay. The cinnamon is like super strong. So I just finished applying all of the leave-in conditioner in my hair, and my hair feels super soft, guys, and my curls are super defined with just this leave-in conditioner. I just wanted to show you guys this clip with just this leave-in condition. This is how it defined my curls. Like, I've been sleeping on this product. So now I'm going to apply the high definition curl enhancing gel from Treluxe as well. And they literally advised me to use a dime size amount. And also on the instructions on the back, it says to use a dime size amount after applying the leave-in conditioner. And since this is really a stress for me to use a dime size amount, that's exactly what I'm going to use because it possibly can make your hair hard, or maybe it causes some type of like buildup product if you use too much. So I'm just going to listen to these instructions and use a dime size amount, and it possibly can go a long way with just using that small amount because you know us naturals like to get a little carried away with these products. This is my hair now after the leave-in condition and the curling enhancing gel, and my curls look super defined as you can see in the back. But I did notice in the front, because I put a little bit more leave-in condition and the gel in, I noticed a little bit of buildup product, but that might go away after it dries up. Who knows? We'll see. Okay, beautiful people, it is the next morning. So my hair is completely dry. As you can see, there's a little couple wet spots right here that's a little wet, but what I'm going to do, like I said in the beginning of this video, I am going to go in with my dryer to kind of give it a little stretch anyway. But last night what I did was place a satin scarf on, put my hair in a ponytail like this, and kind of let it lay down, and so it can kind of air dry. And it was kind of probably like 75% dry before I went to sleep. It wasn't, probably like 80%. So yeah, so this is what you have so far, and I feel like my curls are like super defined. I need to do something about the front though. I might need to cut it because I'm trying to figure out why the front is so like droopy with my curls. But let's get started with the stretching method, y'all. Before I get started with my handy dandy blow dryer for my stretch method, I just want to point out how my hair is, you know, it's a little shrinkage there, but it's really a little elongation with these products from Treluxe. Okay, so you know, usually my hair is like up to here. I was a little scared because when it was wet, it was kind of up to here. But I'm not sure if me placing my hair in a ponytail and sleeping like that overnight kind of did help with the shrinkage and kind of stretch it out. So we'll see what this blow dryer about to do, you all. So this is how my hair looks after I kind of stretched it out with the blow dryer a little bit. So what I'm going to do is go to the bathroom and play with it a little bit, and I'll be back with you guys. Hey guys, so as you can see, this is the final results, and yeah, this is bomb. This is bomb. Like, the reason why I'm saying that, because have done wash and go since I've been natural, and it's always that I don't really care for it. I mean, the only con I would say right now is that it's giving a little dryness right now, and I'm like, what's going on with these longer pieces in the front? And it's probably from me straightening my hair, but other than that, it's giving volume. it's giving what the girls are looking for. Like, Treluxe is my new wash and go product. Like, I see why it is in use for natural girls, because what is y'all, I'm lost for words, because I absolutely love how my curls look and how it came out. Like I said, it's a little dry up. Next time, what I'm going to do is like make sure I do the leave-in conditioner as soon as I get out the shower, and then apply the curling enhancing gel, because baby, it is giving what the girls came here for. Like, this is the first time I had, and before I did the blow drying method with stretching it out, it was already a little elongation going on. Like, I am in love. I am in love. Like, Treluxe is my new friend. Like, okay, I'm gonna stop rambling on, but this is my new, I can do wash and goes now. I can achieve wash and goes. I love this. Definitely will be trying this again. I do thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and share your girl's video. And if you're new watching this video, don't forget to subscribe to your girl's channel.